the sailboat in the private mooring lost its jib because it wasn't secured properly. It's now being ripped to shreds. Tropical storm we've been watching for about a week. The remnants of Elsa hit Block Island. We're in the middle of it right now. It ended up not being quite as bad as they were expecting because it went west and north of us, the bulk of it. So we're in about 30 knot winds, gusting to 40, possibly. Everybody's like double lined, really well secured. We just took our canvas down because it was taking a little bit of a hit. Not damaged, but why? Can fade. He's now up there lashing our solar down just to take the extra tension off of it. Intensification. We got some weight caps going on the island here. Oh, that's not a nice thing. Straight ahead, Tatum. Yeah. Oh, that is.
It's getting worse because that power boat is dragging.
Oh man, they are hitting hard.
Yeah, that mooring has been dragging.
That mooring has been dragged, and obviously there's nobody operating one of those. Wow.
There it is.
Let's see if I can get all the carnage in one frame. Far left, we've got some powerboat collision with every swing, and on the right, we've got sail insecure, double insecurities. The jib, which is now getting ripped to shreds. Interesting, because it's actually not that high wind. It's just kind of turn into what they thought it was going to. Who's going to save his boat? Oh my gosh. Well, if it's an islander, they certainly could give him a call. And now it looks like we have the owner of one of these boats who's going to try to dinghy over and stop the carnage.